Native American mythology, the coyote was an omnipresent being that often appeared as the creator of the universe, but also sometimes as a sly and clever trickster. The coyote, sometimes referred to as the coyote, belongs to the genus Canis, along with the gray wolf, the jackal, and the domestic dog. It is a member of the Canidae or dog family. Its scientific name is Canis latrans, which means talking dog. Coyotes are perhaps best well known for their signature call. Their series of howls and yips can usually be heard on a clear night if you're lucky enough to be within earshot. Coyotes have more calls than any other wild mammal in North America, and their distinctive songs have become somewhat of a symbol of the American West. Coyotes can be found virtually anywhere in North America and as far south in Central America as Panama. While their exact population in the wild is unknown, coyotes are figured to be enjoying their highest populations ever. Once found only in the wide open spaces of America's deserts and prairie lands, coyotes have adapted and expanded their range to include all of the 50 states. There are currently 19 recognized subspecies of the coyote, 16 of which are found in the United States, Mexico, and Canada. Although it varies depending on the species, coyotes typically weigh around 30 to 35 pounds, about the size of a border collie. The largest are found in the northeast U.S., probably because these animals have adapted to hunt larger game, such as white-tailed deer. Coyotes typically live about 14 years, in packs of up to 12 animals, which helps them to fend off predators and rear offspring. The pack leaders are always one top male and his mate, with the rest of the group comprised largely of their offspring. A pack will typically inhabit a single territory of a few square miles, and is usually more active at night. Although they live in societies, coyotes usually are solitary hunters because competition for food within the pack is fierce. Coyotes may be one of the animal kingdom's most opportunistic hunters, scavengers, and foragers, which is part of what makes them such successful and resilient predators. They'll eat anything from small rodents and rabbits to snakes, fish, fruit, and sometimes even deer or elk. As human populations have continued to expand into coyote habitat, predation on small dogs and other pets has increased. Coyotes have long been considered a nuisance by ranchers and farmers who continually lose cattle and livestock to coyote predation. As a result, these animals are fair game for hunters in many states and can be shot year-round. Biologists and conservationists argue that while individual coyotes that kill ranchers' livestock should be eliminated, most pose no threat to their livelihood because their prey mainly consists of small rodents that would otherwise prove to be harmful or destructive. Regardless of whether they are harmful or not, I believe coyotes play a crucial role in healthy ecosystems by helping to regulate and manage the populations of the animals that they prey on. There is a reason these animals have been able to survive for thousands of years, and instead of trying to eliminate them, I feel we should instead learn to coexist.